Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Future Aspirants. I am here with a very interesting video and its topic is myths about coronavirus. So we all know that from the end of the year 2019 and from the beginning of the year 2020 we are facing the pandemic. We are facing the problem of pandemic COVID-19. And while this pandemic is going on, there are a lot of untruths that have surrounded this topic. So in this video, I will address some of those myths and conspiracy theories that are running across the world about this coronavirus. So this coronavirus, also called as novel coronavirus, and its other name is SARS-CoV-2. It started spreading from Wuhan, China, and it has spread to every continent of the world except Antarctica. So while it was being spread, the World Health Organization, they first considered it as public health emergency, and when it got to a more serious situation, so they changed this concern, international concern, to a pandemic. उसकी classification change हो गई थी on the basis of its seriousness on the March 11, 2020. So the virus has been responsible for tens of millions of infections globally. Means this virus is spreading across the world, and it has caused till date more than million of deaths across the whole globe. So when we talk about the word pandemic, we are referring this coronavirus as a pandemic. So when we talk about this word pandemic, in the people mind, they become fearful from this word, and because of these fears, there is a generation of misinformation and rumors about the virus, and we are going to discuss about some of those rumors that is spreading around the world as the pandemic is running. So the first rumor that I'm going to discuss is that spraying alcohol or chlorine on the skin kills viruses in the body. So when we are applying alcohol or chlorine to the skin, it can cause harm to our skin, especially when it enters our eyes and our mouth. These chemicals, they are used to disinfect the surfaces. It is not made for the body. They are used to disinfect the surfaces, but people should not use them on their bodies. इन केमिकल्स को सरफेस को क्लीन करने के लिए, जर्म फ्री बनाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ह्यूमन बॉडीज़ और लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म बॉडीज़, तो दीज केमिकल्स आर नॉट अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर यूजेज ऑन द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म बॉडीज़, एंड दीज products especially, they do not kill the viruses that are present inside our body. ये सिर्फ surface को clean करने के काम आते हैं, not killing the virus that is present inside our body. The next rumor that is going on, the next myth that is going on around the coronavirus is that only elder people and elder adults and those people that are having pre-existing conditions are at risk. Means only those adults that are suffering from some disease, they are at risk of coronavirus, and the younger generation, they are safe from the coronavirus. So this is another myth. Like all other viruses, this SARS-CoV-2, it also spread to people of any age. ऐसा नहीं है कि younger people are free from it or are safe from this virus and it only transmit to older people, बल्कि it transmit to people of any age. However, older adults and those individuals जिनके अंदर already health conditions हैं, जैसे कि diabetes हो गई, obesity है, asthma है, so because their immune system is already compromised, जिसकी वजह से there is more chance for them for getting this infection and becoming severely ill. So those its chances of becoming severe is less in the healthy people as compared to older people and ill people. जबकि जो वो लोग जो कि under 40 years of age हैं, like children, they are less likely to become severely ill with COVID-19. Means they will get the infection, the virus will enter their body, it will cause different symptoms, it will cause health issues, but that may not be much severe as in other people. And these complications and deaths can be caused by the virus in anyone related to any age. So age is not a matter of fact here. Third myth is also related to age, that children cannot get COVID-19. The younger generation, the children, they do not get COVID-19. This is also one of the myth that is running across the globe related to COVID-19. So anyone of any age can develop the infection. जो भी इस वायरस के कांटेक्ट में आएगा, he or she will develop the infection, and the symptoms are different in different people. So far, most of the COVID-19 cases, they have been in adults, but we cannot say that children are immune. Children are not immune, but यहाँ पे अभी तक जो देखा गया है कि most of the cases, they are related to adults. Much number of adults are represented with this infection and all. So most children who develop COVID-19, they have only mild symptoms or none at all. They also get the infection, but they do not develop the symptoms. But we will not say that children are immune. Children are also not immune. They may also get the virus. And on 15th May 2020, the World Health Organization, they released a commentary about an inflammatory condition in children एंड एडोलेसेंट. उन्होंने एक इंफॉर्मेशन रिलीज़ की थी इन्फ्लेमेटरी कंडीशन चिल्ड्रन और एडोलेसेंट्स में, दैट मे हैव लिंक्स, मीन्स अभी तक प्रूव नहीं हुआ बट लिंक्स हैं उसके कोविड-19 के साथ. डिफरेंट कंडीशंस कौन कौन सी हैं, जैसे कि मल्टी सिस्टम इन्फ्लेमेटरी सिंड्रोम इन चिल्ड्रन, जिसको हम लोग मिस्क के नाम से भी जानते हैं. उसके फीचर्स, उसके जो सिम्टम्स हैं, दे आर सिमिलर टू कावासाकी डिसीज़ एंड टॉक्सिक शॉक सिंड्रोम. एंड उन्होंने कहा था कि ये जो डिसीज़ेस हैं ये कोविड-19 से रिलेट करते हैं थ्रू वन वे और अनदर. So children are not immune. They may also develop some mild symptoms. They may recover quicker than that of adults, but they are also prone to this virus. The next myth is that COVID-19 is just like the flu. Some of the people nowadays especially, they take this COVID-19 very easy, and they say that its symptoms are similar to flu, so it is not much severe. So people are not much afraid of COVID-19 these days, but this is totally a myth. COVID-19 has symptoms similar to that of the flu, but it is not same to just like the flu, we can say. Infections that are caused by the virus SARS-CoV-2, they can cause COVID-19. ये एक ऐसी बीमारी है जिसमें फ्लू लाइक सिम्टम्स होंगे, जैसे कि बॉडी एक है, फीवर है, कफ है, and symptoms of either COVID-19 or flu, they can be mild, they can be severe, and they can be rarely fatal, but illness can also lead to pneumonia. यहाँ तक अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि कोविड-19 और फ्लू के सिम्टम्स जो हैं एक जैसे हैं, वेरी कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन, बट इट डज़ नॉट मीन कि फ्लू एंड कोविड-19 दे आर सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. हाउएवर अगर हम लोग ओवरऑल प्रोफाइल चेक करें, इस चीज़ को भी अगर हम माइंड में रखें कि ठीक है इनके सिम्टम्स एक जैसे हैं, तो माइट भी इनकी सीवियरिटी एक जैसी हो, बट अभी तक अगर हम लोग ओवरऑल प्रोफाइल चेक करते हैं तो कोविड-19 इज़ मोर सीरियस, क्योंकि कोविड-19 में मोर्टेलिटी रेट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाई हैं एंड फर्टेलिटी केसेस भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाई हैं, स्पेशली इन द US. द फर्टेलिटी रेट अपीयर्स टू बी 2.6%. इसके बाद हम लोग नेक्स्ट मिथ की तरफ देखते हैं, दैट इज़ एवरीवन विद कोविड-19 डाइज. नाउ दिस इज़ द केस ऑफ दोज पीपल, दोज आर you can say very much fearful from this virus, and they think that any person who will come in contact with COVID-19, it is a must that he or she will die. So this is also a false rumor, because COVID-19 is fatal, but it is fatal for only a small percentage of people who will develop the illness. Means in some cases only it will become a severe case, otherwise most of the time 80% of the people with COVID-19, they recover by themselves. They do not need a specialist treatment in the hospital. They will only develop mild symptoms like fever, cough, sore throat, tiredness and shortness of breath, and upon taking proper medication and proper rest, they can recover from COVID-19. So we will not say that any person who will come in contact with the COVID-19, it is must that he or she will die. So this is also a false myth regarding the COVID-19. The next myth is revolving around the animals, that cats and dogs, they also spread the coronavirus. So this is also a myth. till now there have been several reports of pets developing the infection. अभी तक बहुत सारे एरियाज़ में पेट्स रिपोर्ट किए गए हैं, लाइक कैट्स एंड डॉग्स, जो कि इन्फेक्शन को डेवलप करते हैं. एंड इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस द पेट्स बिकम सिक आफ्टर कमिंग इनटू कॉन्टैक्ट विद अ पर्सन हु इज़ सफरिंग फ्रॉम कोविड-19. सो अभी तक देखा गया है कि दिस कोविड-19 will transfer to pets. So according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, जिसको हम लोग CDC भी कहते हैं, there is no evidence, अभी तक कोई भी एविडेंस, कोई भी प्रूफ नहीं दिया गया कि एनिमल्स प्ले अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन स्प्रेडिंग द वायरस दैट कॉजेज कोविड-19. इसका मतलब क्या है कि दिस कोविड-19 इट स्प्रेड्स फ्रॉम ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन, बट अभी तक कोई भी ऐसा प्रूफ नहीं दिया गया कि जिसमें हम ये कहेंगे कि इट स्प्रेड्स फ्रॉम एनिमल टू ह्यूमन. सो अभी तक देखा गया है कि पेट्स जो हैं दे आर सफरिंग, बट इट इज़ नॉट प्रूवन येट कि बिकॉज ऑफ दीज सफरिंग पेट्स जो कोरोना वायरस है किसी पर्सन के ऊपर, किसी ह्यूमन के अंदर ट्रांसफ़र हुआ है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ फॉल्स मिथ. द नेक्स्ट मिथ इज़ that face masks always protect against the coronavirus. So nowadays what is happening is, although people are told not to gather at one place, but they do gather at some places at one place in much higher number, and they think that by wearing that mask, that face mask, they are in full protection against the virus. So that is totally a myth against the coronavirus. So healthcare workers, they use professional face mask, and those face masks they fit tightly to protect themselves from the infection. Means they use special mask, so where there is no gap left between their skin and the mask, so they try to protect them as much as they can. And those are the healthcare workers. It is their responsibility and it is their duty to go to such patients and deal with them and give them medicines and all. But उनके लिए तो ज़रूरी है वहाँ पे जाना. But what about other people? Normal people, they use the disposable and cloth mask, and they will protect against droplets, but they cannot protect against the aerosolized particles. So it means that these normal masks that we are using for ourselves, they are not a total protection against the virus. So while wearing the mask, it is essential that we should take protection. We should be taking the precautions that are given to us to maintain a 6-foot distance, to which will help slow down the spread of the virus. So it is essential to continue taking the precautions such as like not touching the face, physical distancing, washing the hands frequently. Then only we can save ourselves and others from this virus. Otherwise, if we just wear the mask and don't take all other precautions, it is not helping in controlling the virus. The next myth is that hand dryers, they kill the coronavirus. The hand dryers, they do not kill the coronavirus, and it is best to protect oneself and others from the virus by washing the hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds at a time. And if it is not possible, we can use alcohol based hand sanitizers, but we should not suppose that when we put our hands below these hand dryers, we should not suppose that the coronavirus will be killed from it. The next myth is that COVID-19 virus, that is SARS-CoV-2, it is just a mutated form of the common cold virus. So अभी तक ये भी खबरों में है, अभी तक ये भी लोगों में के माइंड में है कि जो कॉमन फ्लू का जो वायरस है, दैट इज़ नॉट मच स्वेयर, उसी को थोड़ी सी उसके अंदर म्यूटेशन होने के बाद ये SARS-CoV-2 का वायरस जो है वो प्रोड्यूस हुआ था. बट दिस इज़ टोटली अ फेक न्यूज़, दिस इज़ टोटली अ मिथ. एक्चुअली जो कोरोना वायरसेस हैं ये सिर्फ ये कोविड-19 से रिलेटेड नहीं हैं, बल्कि कोरोना वायरस दे हैव अ लार्ज फैमिली. देयर आर मैनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वायरसेस. दे हैव स्पाइकी प्रोटीन्स ऑन देयर सरफेसेस, एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट वायरसेस. जो कुछ वायरस ऐसे होंगे जो कि इंसानों को, यानी कि ह्यूमन बींग्स को, उनका प्राइमरी होस्ट कंसिडर करते हैं एंड दे कॉज द कॉमन कोल्ड. जबकि कुछ वायरसेस जैसे कि हमारा कोरोना वायरस जो आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा फैला हुआ है, दे यूज़ animals as their primarily infect animals, and they use animals as their primary होस्ट और एनिमल से ये स्प्रेड हुए हैं जिस तक इनकी बिगिनिंग हुई है। इसी तरह कोविड-19 के अलावा देयर आर अदर वायरसेस लाइक मर्स दैट बिलोंग टू कोरोना वायरस, जिसे हम मिडल ईस्ट रेस्पिरेटरी सिंड्रोम कहते हैं। उसके अलावा सीवियर एक्यूट रेस्पिरेटरी सिंड्रोम सार्स, ये दोनों भी कोरोना वायरस की फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं। एंड दे ऑल्सो इनिशियली पास टू ह्यूमन्स फ्रॉम एनिमल्स, जैसे कि ये कोविड-19 का वायरस है उसमें भी एनिमल्स से ह्यूमंस में कोरोना वायरस जो है वो ट्रांसफ़र हुआ था। सिमिलरली ये दो वायरस जिसमें मैंने मर्स और सार्स का नाम लिया है, दे ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड स्प्रेडिंग फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स, मीन्स उनकी पहला जो वायरस है बिकॉज ऑफ एनिमल इट्स स्टार्टेड स्प्रेडिंग इन द ह्यूमन बींग्स। Then there is another myth that you have to be with someone for 10 minutes to catch the virus. Means they are saying for maximum 10 minutes you can remain with a person and you will be safe. If you remain with a person who is suffering from coronavirus for more than 10 minutes, then you will catch the virus. If you are coming in contact with that person for less than 10 minutes, then you will be safe. This is absolutely a myth. The longer a person is close to someone with the infection, there are the more chances of the virus to transmit. However, virus can transfer from person to person within 10 minutes. It's not important, it's not necessary that the person should remain for maximum 10 minutes to get the virus. Even below 10 minutes they can get the virus. Next myth is that rinsing the nose with saline protects against the coronavirus. Means if we rinse our nose, when the coronavirus enters our body, they enters through our nose or mouth. So if we rinse our nose with the saline water, it will protect us from the virus. It will kill the coronavirus. So there is no evidence yet. अभी तक इस बात का कोई भी प्रूफ नहीं दिया गया कि saline nasal rinse जो हैं they protect against any respiratory infections. So they are used to ease the symptoms of acute upper respiratory tract infections, but they are not used to kill the viruses. So it is not important that when you are rinsing your nose with saline, it will protect your body against the coronavirus. You can use it as a precaution, but don't take it for granted. Then the next myth that we have is you can protect yourself by gargling bleach. This is the most dangerous myth that can kill people. People should never put bleach in their mouths. Gargling bleach could never benefit a person's health. This is absolute myth, and bleach is corrosive. It can cause serious damage to the person, to his body, to his health, to his organs. So we should not at any cost consume bleach or gargle with bleach. Then the next myth is that antibiotics kill the virus. So some people think that if we can go on taking antibiotics in our body without any disease, then they will protect us against the virus. So we should know that antibiotics, they only kill the bacteria. Antibiotics work against only bacteria. They do not work against viruses, and this coronavirus, it is spreading because of some virus. So antibiotics are of no use if you are taking them to protect yourself from the coronavirus. Then the next myth that we have is thermal scanners can diagnose the coronavirus. So this is absolute myth. Thermal scanners nowadays, while going into the public places, you must have got checked by the thermal scanners. So these thermal scanners, they are used to detect the fever, means higher temperature of the body than the normal one. They are only used to check the body temperature, the fever, not anything else. When we talk about the symptoms of coronavirus, it takes about 2 to 14 days for the symptoms to develop, to appear after the infection has occurred. So within these 2 to 14 days, if you check your temperature is normal, then, and even though the virus has entered the body, then you cannot say that whether the virus is there or not by checking just the body temperature with the thermal scanner. So thermal scanners are useless specifically for detecting the virus. They are only used for checking the temperature of the person's body. They are not used for checking the coronavirus inside the body. The next myth is that garlic protects against coronaviruses. So some people, they have moved towards the home remedies. So they think that when they use more and more garlic in their daily life, they can protect themselves from coronavirus, even though if they are not taking any precaution. So this is also an absolute myth. So some research suggests that garlic may slow down the growth of some bacteria, but we should remember that garlic does not affect the virus. COVID-19 is because of a virus. If you are taking the garlic, you are taking the protection against bacteria. But what about virus that is going to attack your body? So this is an absolute myth that garlic protects us from the coronavirus, and there is no proof, no evidence till now that garlic can give us protection against the coronavirus. Then the next myth is that parcels from China, they can spread the coronavirus. So people are much afraid to do these home deliveries and to receive the parcels. They think that these parcels can spread coronavirus to them. So till date, the research that have been carried on the SARS-CoV-2 means coronavirus, including the SARS and MERS viruses, अभी तक कहीं पे भी ये बात प्रूव नहीं हुई कि वायरस कैन सर्वाइव ऑन द पैकेजेस फॉर एक्सटेंडेड पीरियड. अभी तक यही देखा गया है कि वायरस कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. वायरस को सर्वाइव करने के लिए एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, लिविंग बॉडी की ज़रूरत होती है. इफ़ इट इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन सम नॉन लिविंग थिंग, then it कैन नॉट सर्वाइव फॉर अ longer period of time. So if there is some parcel coming and you are afraid, then it is not necessary that that parcel will spread coronavirus, क्योंकि on packages, on parcels, on letters, virus cannot survive for longer period of time. But it does not mean that you should not be taking any precaution. You must take the precaution. CDC explains that although the virus can survive for a short period on some surfaces, because it is a non-living thing, means it cannot survive on non-living things, so it can survive for only short period. After that it will die. So it is unlikely to be spread from domestic or international mail, products or packaging. You should take proper precautions, but you should not be afraid of receiving the package and parcels while taking the precautions. The next one is that home remedies can cure and protect against COVID-19. So you should keep in your mind that no home remedy can protect against coronavirus if you are not taking any proper precautions. Like people think that if they take more amount of vitamin C, essential oil, silver colloid, sesame oil, garlic, fish tank cleaner, sage or water, even when a person sips it every 15 minutes, ये कुछ home remedies हैं जिनके ऊपर believe किया जाता है कि these home remedies will protect a person from the coronavirus infecting their body. So they are all myth. They are of no use unless you are taking proper precaution. If you want to protect yourself, then you should wash your hands frequently. Then you should keep your face covered. You should avoid crowded places, and you should use alcohol-based hand sanitizer. The next myth is that you can catch the coronavirus from eating Chinese food in other countries. Like in our countries we have Chinese restaurants, so it is not true that if you go and eat at those restaurants while taking proper precaution, you will take the coronavirus, you will get the coronavirus. So those Chinese restaurants that are operating in other different countries, they are not going to spread coronavirus, because coronavirus belongs to places. It does not belong to name. It does not mean that every Chinese thing at all over the globe, all of them will spread coronavirus. So they are starting from the places, they are not starting from the names. So this is also an absolute myth. Then the next one is that the virus will die off when temperature rises. Especially the last year, it was believed among people during the winter season, when the virus was spreading rapidly to each and every country it was entering. So it was believed that when the summer season will come, the virus will die because of the high temperature. So some viruses, like the cold virus, the flu virus, they spread more easily in colder months. It is easier for them to spread around the world, spread around the people during the colder months. But that does not mean that opposite will happen when the warmer weather will come. So if the temperature is high, it may slow down the spread of the virus, but it will not kill the virus, it will not stop the virus. So this is also a myth that during the summer season the virus will die and it will not spread. And scientists, they still do not know that how temperature changes will influence the virus. Then the next myth is that coronavirus is the deadliest virus known to humans. So because we are facing this virus in our lifetime, we are just much afraid of this virus and we think that this is the deadliest virus ever in the human history, but this is wrong. Although it is more dangerous than influenza virus, it is not the deadliest virus that people have faced throughout the history. There are different other viruses that have caused more deaths, they have more higher mortality rates, like Ebola virus. So that is also an absolute myth. Then flu and pneumonia vaccines can protect against COVID-19. Although flu and pneumonia, they are also caused by different viruses, but those viruses are not same as that of the coronavirus. So if we are taking the vaccines for flu and pneumonia, it does not mean that we are taking protection against the coronavirus. There are separate vaccines that are available against the coronavirus, but if you are taking flu and pneumonia vaccine, you should not suppose that they will protect you against the coronavirus. Then the next myth that was in the news in the past year was that the virus originated in a lab in China. So it was thought that virus was generated by some organizations inside the lab to spread them for some of their benefits, but there is no evidence to back up this rumor. There is no proof for this, and this news have been circulated on media. So SARS-CoV-2, it is a natural product of evolution. There is a study done to prove it. So we cannot say that it was generated in the lab. And some researchers, they believe that it has jumped from pangolins to humans. It has passed from pangolins to humans, and others think that it has passed from bats. And it is absolute myth that people say that it was originated in the lab in China. Another myth that is related to animals and coronavirus is that in China people drank the bat soup, they ate the bat soup, because of that this outbreak began. So this is also myth. Although the scientists are confident that virus started from the animals, virus started in the animals and somehow it started spreading in the humans, but there is no proof that soup was involved in all this, that bat soup was involved in all this, for which people have been claiming a lot. Then the next myth that we have is, if you get a COVID-19 vaccine, you will no longer transmit the SARS-CoV-2 to others. So if you yourself are getting the COVID-19 vaccine, it does not mean that you will not be responsible for spreading it in the future, because vaccine will give you the protection against the coronavirus, but it will not give others the protection. So at the present, there is not enough evidence to support whether or not the current authorized vaccines stop the spread. So we are just taking the vaccines to protect ourselves from severe complications, from severe illness, but it does not mean that when we have taken the vaccine in our body, it will totally kill the virus. Virus will survive in our body, and if a person has got the vaccine and after getting the vaccination he gets the coronavirus, he will not develop much severe complications as a non-vaccinated person, but virus can survive in his or her body, and it can spread from his or her body to other non-vaccinated or vaccinated people. So if you are getting the coronavirus vaccine, don't assume that you are no longer going to transmit it. So these are some of the myths that were related to coronavirus. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. See you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.